Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, click on Apps section. Then select Default Apps and tap on one of those options. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, just click on your new one that you wish to apply. And when you're done, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!